What is going on YouTube? Put this mic is on, man, because last time I recorded the mic wasn't even on. What is going on YouTube? Welcome back to your clothing guide, the Hoxton trend. Guys, I hope you're all good. I hope everyone is doing well as they possibly can be. I hope all your families are safe. Whatever you're doing, just try to be positive, guys. Try to be constructive during this time. Like I said, I'm going to be putting out tons of videos. So I've got a really cool video. Well, at least I think it's really cool anyway. So basically today, guys, what I want to do is look at the Nike X MMW collaboration jacket, which I believe is Nike's most expensive jacket. Well, I think it is. Now, I actually went and put this up on our Facebook. If you want to go ahead and look at the jacket or any of Nike's other deals that they've got going on, go ahead and click on the description box below. But in this video, I'm going to be looking at this jacket. I'm going to look into the jacket, look at the quality. I'm going to look into 1017 Alyx 9SM and see exactly what this jacket is saying, okay? Don't forget, we're on our journey to 100,000 subscribers. All I need you guys to do is like, subscribe, and share this video. And don't forget to put a comment in the comments box below, because that really helps. Try to watch this video for as long as possible because of that silly YouTube algorithm. You know how it is. So listen, without further ado, let's get straight into it, guys. I'm gonna start reviewing this jacket. 2 seconds. That's a madness. So this is it. This is the jacket, and the first thing I would say, really heavy, man. Really heavy for a jacket. So a size medium. And you know what? Whew, it actually looks really nice. Oh my days. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. The only thing is, oh my gosh, this jacket is massive. Do you know what? I ain't gonna lie, man. The quality feels well nice. Nah, the quality feels premium, man. I feel like this could be a size. It's too big, man. Why is it so big? Dude, this jacket is absolutely massive, man. It's way too big. I've got a Burberry jacket, and it's about the same size as this. And the Burberry jacket is absolutely massive, man. It's so oversized, and that was a size. I think that was a size medium as well. So this oversized thing seems to be really in. Look at all these pockets on the side here, man. Look at that. Do you know what? This jacket, quality-wise, is definitely premium. I think what it is that when we see this tick, we just struggle to see why anything should be so expensive, because when we think Nike, we think sportswear, we think running around, we think trainers. We don't think £700 jacket, basically. I think that's a struggle that people have. Definitely think it's nice. I just think it's a little bit too big, man. It doesn't need to be so big. I mean, yeah, look, it just looks, this is a medium, and I just feel like it's almost like it reminds me of like a bug. It reminds me of like a caterpillar, like when the body is really big and you got these tiny little legs that stick out. It really kind of sticks out, man. Do you know what? I would have liked this if it wasn't so big. Quality wise, wow. Like, I'm not gonna lie, quality is definitely premium. It feels really heavy, feels really luxurious. All the studs and everything look really nice. It's nice. Quality wise, it's nice. I ain't gonna lie. I just think like maybe the look of the jacket might look a little bit funny, but do you know what? I never knew too much about 1017 Alyx 9SM, so let's have a look and see a little bit more about who this brand is, where they've come from, and they're just kind of blown up out of nowhere. So who exactly is 1017 Alyx 9SM? Let's get into it. So apparently this is the third time that Nike and 1017 Alyx 9SM founder Matthew M. Williams has focused on the balance between cutting-edge design and human nature. Signature MMW details include a roller coaster buckled crossbody strapped to the interior and comfortable wrist gaiters. Now, more on 1017 Alyx 9SM, formerly known as Alyx, is the brainchild of Matthew Williams, which since launching his brand in 2015 has firmly cemented his position at the cutting edge of the international fashion scene. The label started out with women's wear, funny enough, later adding menswear in 2017, but the first official menswear piece saw the light of day already in the commissioned capsule collection for Hiroshi Fujiwara. Now, if you don't know about Hiroshi Fujiwara, he is a super talented Japanese streetwear designer, musician, streetwear influencer, and founder of the super popular fashion label called Fragment Design. Now, they actually went ahead and done some collaborations with Louis Vuitton. He's also got a home goods brand called Retta W, who has collaborated with the likes of Nike, Burton, Levi's, Stussy Supreme, and Beats by Dre. Now, Williams also counts notable collaborations with Moncler, Nike for the MMW Technical Runner, and Dior Men. Williams started out in the music industry working with Kanye in 2008 and later famously as Lady Gaga's creative director. In 2011, Williams quit his job with Gaga and moved to London, teaming up with legendary fashion photographer Nick Knight. He would later go on to set up social media phenomenon DJ collective Bean Trill with Virgil Abloh and Heron Preston before starting his own brand 1017 Alyx 9SM. Now, Williams is big on sustainability, dropping the Alyx Visual Diffusion collection made from entirely upcycled cotton from pre-used clothing in 2018. Now, what exactly does Alyx 9SM stand for? Well, it's actually pronounced Alyx, which is named after Williams' daughter. The number 1017 is a reference to Williams' birthday, October 17. 9SM is taken from the label's founding studio address in St. Mark's Place, New York City. So in terms of the jacket, I actually do think it's really nice. The price point is way too high. I think people are going to really struggle paying anything super high, even though it is an Alyx 1017 9SM collaboration. I think people just really struggle with the whole Nike being high-end type of thing. Quality wise, the jacket is super nice. Now, if you look inside here, you've got all these random pockets on the inside of the jacket, which is really cool. It almost reminds me of his chest rig pouch that he has, part of his collection, that it kind of goes all along the chest, and it's quite a big chest pouch. There's some waterproof pockets on the inside, lots of different, got a nice little face mask for the face there. Details going all throughout this jacket. More waterproof pockets on the inside here, which can be seen, again, that's all been sealed off. So it's making me wonder. I mean, I think the jacket is water resistant, but yeah, it's got water resistance pockets on the inside, and it's got a little rig here as well. Look, it's got a massive pocket on the inside here. That's super big. It almost reminds me a little bit of Acronym. It's super nice. I just think it's a little bit oversized. I think the price is a little bit too high, but quality wise, it feels up there with Moncler and the likes. I'm not gonna lie, I've had Moncler jackets which are very similar to this, and the quality has been nowhere near as good as this, to be honest with you. Even Canada Goose, I say the quality is right up there with Canada Goose. You know, £679. It's really crazy how you'd spend that on a Canada Goose, but you might not spend that on something like this. And I do actually just think it's nice. I just think it's just a little bit oversized. But in saying that, I do like it. Pretty sick jacket, to be honest with you. Pretty sick. Guys, that is it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it informative. I'm going to be doing lots more videos like this to get my thoughts and opinions on whether this stuff is actually worth it or not. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, and leave your comments in the comments box below. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and also our Facebook group, which is going to be your #1 community for buying, selling, and connecting online. We've already got 6,000 members on there, so hopefully we're going to get a lot more of you joining up and reaping the benefits of being in our marketplace. Okay, listen, I'm out of here. Lots more coming. Peace out.